When you design car audio, volume handling works very differently compared to phones. When you play sound on a mobile device, the system mixes audio and reduces volume digitally. When you build a car system, you usually send full-strength audio to a hardware amplifier and let hardware manage volume. When you enable fixed volume, you use the flag config_use fixed volume. When this flag is set to true, Android disables internal mixer volume control. When you turn the volume knob, the system forwards volume requests directly to the audio HAL instead of scaling audio and software. When you press volume keys in a car, behavior must remain consistent. The flag config_handle volume keys in Window Manager controls this logic. When this flag is true, the system intercepts volume keys at the framework level and routes them directly to car audio service. When you drive a car, volume control must always respond instantly. You should not depend on which app is visible. By handling volume keys centrally, the system guarantees immediate audio response, even during navigation, calls, or alerts. When you leave fixed volume disabled, the software mixer attenuates audio signal. This reduces effective bit depth before sound reaches hardware. Over time, this can reduce dynamic range and lower perceived audio quality. For premium systems, fixed volume is always recommended.